In this video, we will look at 2 ways to deal with the light leak problem in Eevee, which you might have come across. The first method is just to add a solidify modifier to the model, and then increasing its thickness a bit. Although it fixes the leaking problem, the method is not ideal, since it messes up with the mesh by adding unnecessary thickness to it. In this method, first select the lamp. Then go to the light properties, and turn on contact shadows, under the shadows. Simply turning it on fixes the problem on some parts of the model. But you can increase the distance value to have a better result. In my case, just increasing the distance value worked. But if in your case, you still see the leaking, then try increasing the thickness value too. Now if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like. And if you want to support my channel, and see more free tutorials in the future, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell.